Hi guys, in this video I will share with you how to switch to a creator account on TikTok. What you need to do, first just go to TikTok app and then click profile. After that, click on the three lines on the top right and then manage account. And then click switch to personal account. And then just confirm, click switch anyway. Yeah, it's done now. This is what you need to do if you want to switch to a creator or personal account on TikTok. I hope this video is helpful. And don't forget to give a like and subscribe to the channel if you are not subscriber yet. Thank you and see you.